Hello and welcome back to the channel. I have been thinking about what to do for our first initial XR episode in the upcoming 2025 year. And I have decided finally to go ahead and utilize our Battleship game that we have been developing. And if you've been following along, we had a series of videos going through the whole logistics of how design, develop, and implement the whole Battleship game and why not take it to the VR? So what we will be doing is that we are going to go ahead and see how easy it's going to be to convert our existing three-dimensional 3D game from its desktop edition or mobile edition into the actual VR edition of the same particular application using OpenXR. So just to give you guys a understanding of what that would look like if you haven't seen it previously, let me just quickly go ahead and switch over to the Unity editor. That way you get a perspective on it. All right, now that we are in the Unity editor, and I'm going to go ahead and place the last piece over here onto the board. We have been developing, designing, and developing this particular game for the past few weeks. If you haven't seen the actual full series, go ahead and check out the Battleship, the Unity 6 Battleship playlist, and you would get the whole series of episodes. And also the code is available for you for free to download. So you can actually download the full code, including the models and all of the level designs and etc. for free once you join the Patreon page. So basically what we'll be doing is that taking this particular existing game and what we'll do is convert it into an actual virtual reality application using the latest OpenXR standards that are available in Unity 6. So make sure to like and subscribe. 2025 is going to be a fabulous year for everyone. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will be covering a lot of really cool and neat content uh, regarding AR, VR, and XR applications. So make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. We are going to have a lot of really cool content being generated and developed for the year of 2025. And having said that, this is one of the very few times that we can truly say this. See you guys next year. Have a wonderful New Year's Eve and New Year celebration. Bye bye.